Have you ever wished that your apps could talk to each other but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you're frustrated when your favorite tools doesn't have a ready-made integration. Well, what if I told you you don't need to be a developer to connect the apps you want? With viaSocket's custom API integration, it's simple, powerful, and no coding needed. Custom API integration means your workflow can send or receive the data from any app or services that has an API, all by simply filling in the fields without writing a single line of code. This gives your automation complete flexibility and power, whether it's CRM, a survey tool, or any custom platform. If it has an API, viaSocket makes it work for you. First, in the action block, select HTTP API request from the list of building tools. It will prompt you to enter the curl command, which is used to specify the API endpoint from where you want to fetch the data. For the demonstration purpose, I am entering a sample URL here. Once done, click Apply. The tool will automatically fill in the necessary fields for you. Here we are using the get method, which is used to retrieve data from a specified URL. Click Test to check the setup. Once the response looks correct, click Add to finalize the setup. Now let's move to the second method, the post method, which is used when you need to send the data to an API. Again, we are asked to enter the curl command. I'll input a sample URL and click Apply. In your case, this step will ask for the authentication key such as API key or token. Make sure to fill in the correct auth key, but in my case it is auto-filled. After that, click Test, which will send post request and display the API's response. Once you confirm, click Add to complete the setup. And that's it. With viaSocket's HTTP API request tool, you can easily integrate external APIs into your workflows without writing a single line of code. By testing your request using JSON format and keeping your APIs secure, you ensure that your workflows run flawlessly every time. You can also ask AI to add custom API step into your flow. For that, you just need to paste your curl and say add this API as new step in the flow. Like HTTP API request, viaSocket also has other built-in tools like JS Code, Custom Logic AI, multiple path, and etc. that you can check in other videos.